So now, guys, we will going to tell you why you should use CloudWays. So CloudWays is one platform, okay, that will going to help you to make your tasks very much easy. But to understand about CloudWays, you first need to understand some amazing thing. Like here, you can see we have lot many popular cloud services or cloud servers, okay. So there are many hosting companies which provide cloud hosting, shared hosting, and there are various kind of VPS hosting and many more. So very famous cloud hosting servers are AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, right? And we have another company called as DigitalOcean, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. So there are many other more popular cloud servers we have, okay. So these companies provide us cloud services. Even hostinger has cloud, and almost big hosting companies have cloud servers, okay. But very popular are these cloud servers by very big companies, okay. So they have very kind of dedicated, complete dedicated servers for their cloud, for their cloud services, okay. So now the idea is that whatever cloud hosting or you use or cloud servers you use, you just need to do some kind of coding. So basically, for example, if you want to install WordPress, okay, so you need to do some kind of coding inside these servers, whether you take Amazon, DigitalOcean, Google, or Microsoft, whatever server you take, even a hostinger, Bluehost, cloud services, or any service you take, you just need to do kind of little bit of uh, you know coding to install the WordPress. Now this is the problem, because if you only know how to use WordPress, so some people find even doing little kind of coding very much, because they find basically doing little bit of coding very much difficult, okay. So for them we have a very good solution, that is CloudWays. So the problem here is that, okay, whatever company you from whatever company you take cloud services, that is great, but the most popular are this one. But still, whatever company from where you take cloud services, it's okay. But problem comes when you purchase these cloud services, you need to do some kind of coding type of stuff to install the WordPress, okay. So this is the main problem people generally face. So for that we have CloudWays. So we will basically going to use CloudWays, because it will going to make our tasks kind of very much easy. So now let's understand what is CloudWays and how it can help us, okay. So because it is not a hosting provider but a middleman, that is. So basically CloudWays is a company which will not going to provide you any kind of cloud hosting or any kind of cloud servers. What they will going to give you is that facilities. So they will going to act as a middleman. So this will make your tasks very much easy to use. That means with the CloudWays you do not need to do any kind of such coding stuff. So it is very much easy to use, and it is very much affordable. So CloudWays is a platform that can help you to use their platform very easily, and it will also going to make the things very much affordable for you. So to manage your website, okay. So CloudWays will going to help you to give you very easy and affordable facility to manage your websites. Now how it can help you? So see, if you take any of the cloud services, so basically all these are very much popular. So CloudWays already have partnered with all these platforms, okay. So you just simply need to purchase these cloud services. You can just purchase these services from CloudWays only. So inside one platform you can just do anything. And guys, in one click you can install the WordPress. So basically with the help of CloudWays, you do not need to do any such, coding type of stuff. So this is the main benefit of, CloudWays. So you can see, you just need to buy the servers. You can just buy from CloudWays only, and with the one click, wherever you want to install, whether if you want to install to Amazon Web Services or a Ocean, Digital Ocean, or a Google Cloud or Microsoft Azure, or wherever you want, you just need to, one click. With the one click installation, you can just install WordPress inside the clouds. So simple. Like you might know that in shared hosting we have, auto installer. So you get some cPanel, basically cPanel kind of stuff, and there you just do one click, and WordPress is installed in your shared hosting. So similarly, this facility is also now possible with the help of CloudWays. Okay, so it has already partnered with all these companies. Now all these companies are integrated inside CloudWays only. So you just need to go to CloudWays. You can just go to this link to get good offer. So you can just go to this link. It is very much affordable. That is my-link.in. I will going to teach you each and everything. Okay, you do not need to worry. And then you have to apply this coupon Bing Commerce. Okay, so when you will apply Bing Commerce, you will going to get, approx 40% off as well on your first order. So we will going to teach you how you can just do these activities, how you can just go to CloudWays and everything. But the idea is you so simple, and you are understanding that you just do not need to do any coding now to install WordPress with the help of CloudWays. With one single click only, you can just use any of the cloud servers in the CloudWays with single click, and you can just install WordPress in any of the cloud servers you want. That's it. And this is what why CloudWays is very much important. Okay, so now we will basically going to understand how you can use CloudWays, how you can just sign up, and how you can apply coupon and everything. Okay,